Good morning, students. This is class 11th maths lecture 4th of chapter 6th linear inequalities. And today we will discuss solutions of system of linear inequalities in two variables. Homework solution of lecture 3. Okay. So how to find the solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables? In the previous exercise, we have found the solution of linear inequalities in two variables, but there only one linear inequality is given, right? If now more than one inequality, that is system of linear inequalities is given, then how to find the solution? So let's take an example to understand this. Solve the system of linear inequalities x plus y equal to greater than 5, x minus y equal to less than 3. Now here two linear inequalities in two variables are given. So the solution will be those values x, y which will satisfy both the given inequalities. The values of x, y which will satisfy this inequality and also this inequality will be the solution of these inequalities, right? So for this, first of all, we will draw the graph of the equation x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 3. The same which we have done in the previous question. We'll find the solution of this inequality. We will find the solution of this inequality and the common solution of both of these inequalities will be the final answer, right? So to find the solution of these inequalities, draw the graph of the equations x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 3. So I have taken these points. So the graph will be, as equality is there in the question, so we will draw the dark lines. So this is the graph of the line x plus y equal to 5 and this is the graph of the line x minus y equal to 3. Now we will do the origin test. As this is our given inequality, when you will put 0, you will get 0 equal to greater than 5, which is false. So the solution of this inequality will be the region away from the origin. So this is our line x plus y equal to 5. Now the solution will lie away from the origin. Origin is here. So the solution will be this portion. So draw these lines. Right? Draw the arrow to show the solution. That solution lies on this side. Now the second inequality given is as x minus y equal to less than 3. When you will put 0, the answer will be true. 0 is equal to less than 3 is true. Therefore, the solution of this inequality is towards the origin. So, this is our line x minus y equal to 3. Solution is towards the origin. So, draw the arrow at this side. Why? Because origin is here. So, solution will be this portion. So, draw the lines. Solution, this is the solution of x minus y equal to 3. Now you can see this is the common portion. As you can see here, there are single lines. Here also single lines are there, but here are now you can see double lines are there, right? Therefore, as we can see from the arrows also, the portion of this line is this side and the portion of this line is this side. So the common portion you can see is this, which is the required solution region. Double shaded region, that is this one. Double shaded region is the required solution region for given system of linear inequalities. Clear? Now next, we'll take one more example to understand this. Solve graphically. Now 3 linear inequalities are given. 5x plus 4y equal to less than 40, x equal to greater than 2, y equal to greater than 3. So first of all, find the solutions of all these three inequalities and then find the common solution. So for this, draw the graph of the equations 5x plus 4y equal to 40, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So you'll get the graph like this. This is the line. As you can see, equality is there in the question. So we will draw the dark lines. I have taken the gap of 2. This is the graph of the line x equal to 2. Write down the line. Write down the equation of the line. Now next is y equal to 3. This is our graph of the line y is equal to 3. And this is the graph of the line 5x plus 4y equal to 40. Clear? Now we will do the origin test to find the solutions of the inequalities given. So when you will put 0 in the first given inequality, you will get it as 0 equal to less than 40, which is true. Therefore the solution of this line will be towards the origin. So draw the arrow this side, that the solution of this line lies on this part, right? Then next, 0 greater than equal to 2, which is false. So the solution of x, this inequality x equal to greater than 2 will lie away from the origin. So draw the arrow here, which represents that the solution of this line x equal of this line lies on this side. Now next is y equal to greater than 3. When you will put 0, you will get 0 equal to greater than 3, which is also false. So the solution of this line will also lie away from the origin, right? So draw these arrows. Now we have to find the common solution. So as you can see, from this line we have to go this side. Also from this line we have to go this side, and from this line we have to go this side. So you can also mark like this, small marks, and when you will mark like this with pencil, you will see that here all the three lines portions will come, right? So this will be the solution, because this is the common part of all the three inequalities regions. So this is our solution for this question. Let's take one more question. Solve graphically. X plus y equal to less than 9, y greater than x, x equal to greater than 0. So for this, first of all, draw the graph of these three equations, right? So the graph will be, as see, for this equation, equality is also there. So we will draw the dark line. X plus y equal to 9. I have taken the gap of 2, 2. So this is our point. Draw the lines. So this is the graph of the line x plus y equal to 9. Next is y is equal to x. Also equality is not there in the question. So we will draw the dotted lines. Take any points, right, and draw the graph of the line y is equal to x. It will be now dotted. And next is x is equal to 0. As we know, this is our y-axis. So this is our this line, x is equal to 0, right? Now we will do the origin test to find the solutions of these inequalities. So when you will do the origin test for this, you will get 0 equal to less than 9, which is true. Therefore the solution of the first inequality will lie towards the origin. So this is our line. The solution will lie towards the origin, that is on this side. So mark the arrows at this side, right? Now see, for this inequality y greater than x, the line is passing through the origin. As we have said, to find the solution, we have to take any point on the Cartesian plane, but that point should not lie on the line. This we have done in the previous lecture. Now we cannot do the origin test for this line. Why? Because this line is passing through the origin. We have to take any point, but that point should not lie on the line. But now the point origin is lying on this line, so we cannot do the origin test for this line. So we will take any other point for this line. I have taken this point 40. You can take any point except the points lying on the line. So for the inequality y is greater than x, we cannot take the point origin to check where the solutions lies. Why we cannot take the point origin? Because the line passes through origin. So let's take the point 40. Now y is 0, x is 4. 0 is greater than 4 is false. As the given inequality, this does not satisfy this point. Therefore, the solution of this inequality will lie on the half plane where this point is not there, right? So solution will lie in the half plane not containing the point 4, 0. So the graph of this line will lie on this plane which is not containing the point 40. That is, draw the arrow this side. Next, the third equation is x equal to greater than 0, as this is the line of x equal to 0 and we know x increases on this side only. So draw the arrow this side. Now the common solution you can find out is, from this line we have to go this side, this portion. From this line we have this portion, and from x equal to 0 we have this portion. So you will get this as the common region, right? And this is the solution of the given system of linear inequalities. Now your homework is that you have to complete question 1 to 9 of exercise 6.3. Okay. Now we will discuss the solution of exercise 6.2, the homework I have given you in the previous lecture. So solve the following inequalities graphically in two-dimensional plane. In two-dimensional plane we have to solve the following inequalities. So first inequality is x plus y less than 5. So first of all we'll draw the graph of the equation x plus y equal to 5. So you will draw the graph of this equation. Also you can see equality is not here in the question. Therefore we will draw the dotted lines, right? So draw these dotted lines. Now we will do the origin test on the given inequality x plus y less than 5. So when you will put 0 in place of x and y, you will get 0 less than 5, which is true. Therefore, solution will lie in the plane towards the origin. Because origin test comes true, therefore we will shade that portion of the half plane which includes the origin. So this is our line. Origin is here. So the solution will lie in the plane towards the origin. So this is the solution of the given inequality, right? Next is 2x plus y equal to greater than 6. So first of all draw the graph of the equation 2x plus y equal to 6. For this I have taken these 2 points. You can take any points, right, to draw the line. As equality is there in the question, this is the given inequality. So 2x plus y is either equal to greater than 6. So equality is there. Therefore we will draw the dark line, right? Now doing the origin test, you will put in place of x and y 0. 0 is equal to greater than 6, which is false. Therefore the solution will lie in the plane away from origin. So this is the plane which is away from the origin. So we will shade this area. Clear? Next is question number 4. Y plus 8 is equal to greater than 2x. So first of all, draw the graph of this equation y plus 8 equal to 2x. So also the equality is there in the question. So we'll draw the dark line, right? So this is the equation, this is the graph of the equation. Now doing the origin test, this is your given inequality. In place of y and x, put 0. So we'll get it as 8 equal to greater than 0, which is true. Therefore, we will shade this half plane, right, containing the point origin. Clear? Now question number 7, minus 3x plus 2y equal to greater than minus 6. So first of all, draw the graph of the equation minus 3x plus 2y equal to minus 6. Also equality is there in the question, so we will draw a dark line. So we have taken these 2 points. When x is 2, y is 0. When x is 0, y is minus 3. So draw the graph of the line, right? Like this. Doing the origin test, in place of x and y, put 0. 0 is equal to greater than minus 6, which is true, right? So we will shade this portion because it includes the origin. So the half plane towards the origin will be shaded, right? Next is 3y minus 5x is less than 30. So first of all, draw the graph of the equation 3y minus 5x equal to 30. In question equality is not there, so draw the dotted lines. We'll draw this dotted line. See, this is the graph of the equation 3y minus 5x equal to 30, right? Doing the origin test, put 0, 0 in place of x and y, you will get 0 less than 30, which is true. Therefore, we will shade this portion which includes the point origin, right? So this portion will be the solution of this inequality. Now next is question number 9. Y is less than minus 2. So first of all, draw the graph of the equation y equal to minus 2. As x is not here, we can write it as 0x plus y equal to minus 2. So for any value of x, you will put the value of y will be minus 2. As equality is not there in the question, therefore draw the dotted lines. So this is our line, y is equal to minus 2. Now we will do the origin test. For origin test, in place of y, put 0. So 0 is less than minus 2. This is false. Therefore, we will shade the portion away from the origin. So this will be our solution of the given inequality. Clear? It is also clear that y is equal to minus 2 on this line. As we can see, y is decreasing now on this side. So solution will automatically be this only, right? Next is x is greater than minus 3. So first of all, draw the graph of x equal to minus 3. So this is the our line of x equal to minus 3. Also, because equality is not given, therefore draw the dotted lines. Now for origin test, in place of x put 0. 0 is greater than minus 3, which is true, right? Therefore, we will shade the portion towards the origin. So this will be the solution. As you can see, x is greater than minus 3. So this is only the area where x is increasing, right? So this is our solution of this inequality. So for today, I have given you the homework. Complete it carefully. Thank you.